The address one Bedwam so Cassia Memoir Chamber Quabamida Sepa Social Adom TV and some of the also pana the Obatiano be and say. And Coco a year Jackasia were Honomono, Jadi 4 and Sulu James and so Susan Ranche, dine over to me a Judah good. Now better just a fan and Quadaya, one more Codwa with Tim Communitoy and a quine 4 year war and a Malco Fro Codwa, this Harry who said me in Abana. One more year, some poor quantum pon on some penny for Chema. Yakopon Adom na watch besi me and be frase we ni some would be young monsieur Munsum na woman am this almost Bedwam so Cassia DSTV channel 280 Go TV channel 119 we share me a friend I'm not sure ba adwa se wa finche mo no me de to so amount Ebyanifo a wonom ewo enkoko dwakasie ni mu no sabrede won sunu gugye mpa ne nyina ne se eye adan ahodo a wo mutie mo yesoto so no ampanifo asi ama wo mo no se de asi wo so no wo kire mu anhwe yadako ebedwire gumakwa akofa arehosema bapa na mopeka ye nche kura ba busumi ntemu ni na adwane fa mfraba kakraka fa ya chese pa so ko ye ma egyanifo dodo no ano ehura japade epi na de akasi ho mpo no ense da nya papasa
pa cho ya bro sam abubu wuti wasa abonse adwiri abegu yeso ya pa cho yesra nkoko DC ani MP ya pa cho mbanya mame woni ntwe ma owu amansa hwada ba bia meti se ensu atade musuro ni abugu me so ya pa mo cho yesra ya ne to aba ne maamo eti adi kotodwa pa mo cho mo ma ya mai se ya wu a adan ya timi to aba mam eti ya pa mo cho mo ma ya ma
masesa me niema ne nyina de akogu fie me ba na me di kakra ye den aba begu ha nso di at the same time kura me nya free kura ayepe na me yem hihye me anu ase nsu eto ne nyina na me dwene ho me se me ba no na me niema ne nyina fo ampa
ye ni ba bia kwa ye be ne de ya ma ye nidi enti ye sere mo mu ni mpanifo ne nkasa no mu meye bibi mfa ho ma ye because that ticket 260 now mo ba be ejene ye hu enfaso bia wo so sika na o mejeje no e de na mo de ye ma ye okuro yi mu omo nye bibi mfa edan yi hu ma ye we wo fa hanum se ya e ho ni nyina tutu store se we kire ha nyina omo ne ma nyina afo enso ne to edan no so apani nti no e so gu omo ne ma so e ho nyina yiri mo nye ma ya ansa mo ntwen ma edan yi nyiri nwu ya so mo obi nwu ansa no ma be gina ha be ka brofo akese abe yi ska mo siska no so ska wo ho take it 2 cities no amoje
arehosemo a esie wo fa na wiaboma mpotemo honomo no obanfo bia won mutu wo hugu sasu kasie ni mu edware do suko ekoyi nkwada no free efree so no ase no wo mne adom kasie atwetwe nkomo kyerese wo yi nkwada na nanka kwan a efree honomo ko bia ya resabia wo no eyi anka nkwada ni bibenya nkwana so esanse na kwan ni nyentire ne kakra ko kyere wo mu koduru ya na doctor fo kyerese wo mu akyere dodo enti nkwada na free mu kyere mu a mrahye bedwade wo honomo no woni wo mu enini ye kra
Data in your brain say in Kwalano, the disaster, national disaster. First of all, no, Akaya Kwan way Janka, Aka assemble at least we will be able to rescue some of the kids because in yet Kwalano, some of the majority of them no more home.
Yeah, brewo krom ha papa. Yeah, ensuomu ya jatum say ya wonsuomu. Enti ensuomu na ya wono ense se omo base ye nto abama wo omeya ye road mayen omesi school dan no omeya hospital say hospital wa anka nkwalai nkomu nwu
omo ye city defense emfa no na chi omo city defense omo fa bigi bi nto so ne nkwala ntimi nko emra ne mtuso nye den emfa se
china marase bedwani wo wejagbawe abato mpesua so tena mensa editi udwase aban be ye de obetimi bi asa be ye a empuntu akro yi hia no obetimi edi ama wo mu
but anyway no ano e bia ya ye ha be life jackets bia be gu ha na ya ma wo education bi say wo mo man kwala ninja wo no mu ehwe ko no nti way forward ni say ye be shana ya ma wo anyway ya ma wo life jackets bi ama wo mo de atwa nso na ya educate wo mo nso a wo mo di na ye ni awufo no nso akasa
oni nyina mu no wejabawe mensini krache patrikumo enso ebe bia odi hyehye ye bia mensini panimfo aye ede beboa omanfo etudwa.
But also, when you have to say, baby, they are not supposed to be there in the first place because your schemes as assembly, you don't have a scheme covering this place. Structures, none of them has permit. But because the place has already been encroached, I say, I was amenities at the Brehano, at the Brom.
Free wage agba we na yenko eye kwawu East Mense no mu wapo ye mantam no emu na Adom kase de betu dwa so manfo won e wo sempo potem ho no wo mo kwan nya kora antie ne wo susa se akwanto ne adwade ho nsem enkoyie na bread nsem de betu dwa no betu dwa se mrahye bedwane ye wo ho no ne aba na musi na keka wo abom a wo kye se ene magu akwan so pa na wotwe besimi sa kwan no mpadifo bi frase aye
amoko wa manfo eni abre ho den eye ya Tinkran junction to Simpoa say nim se Simpoa ekwan kwan ho ya kese pa na me kan se da MP akomaso san da ban yi akomaso nti ayeto na mo bebre wo ho aduachi bo gide se na wotwi kone na wotwi di anim no yebe hu se contractor de mfidie abakwan so a oba be adwuma so kokra de aguko ta from ya Tinkran junction de akosi Simpoa enti ebe se to manfo no ntwom akoma entom yem enya de ye twom agya yenim se esa kwan na ho hia pa sanse ma me no mo efi nkran kofori dua kokko ne kumase ne ade nyina no ombadwa ho beton nam ene ade de ko enkuro ahoro so te kwan da akomaso pa se mi dika kan da mpia akomaso da ban akomaso da makomaso ya de ye di akire tu ho na mejina mpia na mu mejina Ghana ban anamu asho manfo e wo sa ampotem wo mse nkuro wo kwan so no do so pa o ko bi de se brifanyem so do ya ase ne ya Tinkran atani ade nyina mi mse sa stretch no nkuro no edoso me show mo bokese se na wotwi ekore na wotwi di anim no ombe hu nsenchene e wo kwan mo se contractor ba kwan so ha be hye adwumase
Yenfrepo ye mantem ne enkofa mantem ni mu ye kwa kogina mu ewo adaklu na dokpo DA primary school ye wo hodo no headmaster wo ho ne emperifo ahodo bi eka bi wo mu se school ne de wo mu kusuwa de kyerɛ ne adesua ekoso so nkoda dodo no aduase na wote a wo no esua ade na emma kwan ma sade adesua ne ade kyerɛ ho nsɛm wo se gina bra no no enkoyie santi wosre penimfo mesi school adan wo wi a nkonwa ne akande ahodo esefata no ompe bi ma wo.
They have been trying to complete incompleted classroom, which is here. But as for now, we are not sure of what is going on. So what we are using as our classroom now is not a convenience for our students to learn so that they can pass well. So we are appealing to the government to help us so that they can complete our this incompleted classroom for us.
Governor Kwame Agboadza aye mrahye bedwani a wojinema won mu a wo adakulu Badwam pesua so woni ema ne boni etwetwe nkomo no ene wo kire botaye nti a wo see sa teachers quarters no ema school no.
Adaklu is relatively a deprived community, and when I became an MP, a member of parliament in 2013, or even before 2013, 2012, the biggest problem in the community was lack of access and quality of education, lack of requisite number of teachers, classrooms, and places for teachers to stay. So we made a commitment that we will commit almost all our resources to improving education because we believe it's a human resource of Adaklu that will develop Adaklu.
Jumadi Esronkwa kwaso wankra kropom ha say na we no na graphic stakeholders dialogue on sustainable natural resource management kwane ampanivo befa so asasa adwenu ahwese de nyankopon na kyede a wode kye yensa simu no ye behwe na yabo ho ban na jamfaso ewo mu no yensa aka na jumadi enu ase na Ghana mampanyi his excellency na adodan kwa kufu adode nsamotu dwase kwan ya befa so abo ade a kyede ho ban na enya so mfaso no aban ne ye ne de ne nso ankra famu de nso ewo so obiaye.
With all these resources, we should have been the richest continent in the world. The sad irony, however, is that Africa remains the poorest continent on the planet. Recent data from the World Bank shows that some 60% of the world's extreme poor live in sub-Saharan Africa, with most resource-rich countries on our continent being amongst the poorest in the world.
Osan di to dwa sɛ sɛne ɔmanfoɔ etu agudie no aban no ɛyɛ nhyehyɛeɛ sɛne bauxite ɛne ɛnadeɛ bi a yɛnyɛ ho adwuma ɛnwieɛ no ɔmanfoɔ ɛmfa ntu kwan ɛmfiri ɔman mu a.
I assure you that we'll do whatever it takes to ensure that the exploitation and utilization of these green minerals are done not only in an environmentally sound manner, but also in a way that ensures optimal benefit to the people of Ghana. This we will never compromise. Indeed, by Section 28 of the GIADEC law and Section 30 of the GISDEC law, the Minister for Lands and Natural Resources is empowered to make regulations to ensure that no bauxite or iron ore in their raw state is exported out of the country after 5 years of the coming into force of these laws.
Ba was ansem kronwa mu na dwumade kronwa asie no na so for asase ni mu adodode ensem so eye John Jenapo so de ensem tudwa kyerese aban no ye nafa mu de bia so obehwe na asetena mu ensem akoyi afekura no da chinchiri mu asem nti obo ade akyade a wode akye ye se aye sika akọ no ene nnua ne ade no obehwe no abo ho ba se be ye nchirima so ba bedi so mfa so.
It is the responsibility of government through the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources to regulate and manage the utilization of these resources. We understand the important role other stakeholders play in the discharge of this mandate. Hence, this dialogue. It is our hope that through this timely dialogue, we can forge a common path to manage sustainably our natural resources, add value to them, retain the highest end of the industry, contribute to the national economy, whilst at the same time protecting our environment for our collective good.
Managing Director Edema Graphic Communications Group Limited womo ene hihye dwumadie ato afo ede to dwa se enwo behia se nipa nyina beka wono abom oman no natural resources no yebetimi abo ho ban.
This is a collective responsibility under the mandate of government and the rule of law. Your Excellency, as a progressive nation and a well-meaning people, we cannot, and I would entreat us that we will not and shall not ignore the evolving menace of unregulated and uncoordinated illegal mining and indiscriminate land use and acquisition. Consequently, we aim to secure a more sustainable future, and we must approach natural resource management more holistically.
While it is the responsibility of government through the
Atomic Energy Commission na Director Adom Nuclear Power Institute of Ghana Professor said Kofi Debra no nimpedifo ahia na wo motwetwe nkomo wose said ya nanse nyina mahode na sa hodende ho aye de ma ECG fo ebu ni toto ma Ghana fo ya wontumi nkyirechire bu kwa afaso abasa no sempanifo ma wani kwa ho na afi wo hwe kwan foforo befaso na wonsa aka hodende na wo bekora ne ye de dwuma nka beboa pa amasa dum so ya ebe atumi agina brane na said ye wo nsem tudwani.
Yes, I best start a day and Yamahodin for fro, a beba or my moa, a bed balancing your out. Inti, and there be a crude new ha, you bet me a nuclear, and the nuclear new way bet me a crude, you be a nuclear who bet me a issue hydro, and now hydro new way bet me a issue solar. And we need to have a variety.
Ghana, any hungry buying. Ewo nhyehyeye a odebo adesuafo pa emoje ntete ewo anyinama woden ho asisi wo mabɔ man Ghana mu a wo hwe kwan ya empuntunwuma wodo a wo ye efa anyinama woden ho no obetimi aboa. Professor Samuel Buachidampare ene ye Director General Eda Ghana Atomic Energy Commission ano enkyiremu sei ene wode etudwa
wo enkuta hodie enti ene hyamudie no ye hwe kwan se ebema enkuta hodie ne onwo no emu ayedin ye staff baako kra enya akwanya ekosua de ewo honom nti nema ni bia ye hwe ne se Ghana Atomic Energy staff ene ye university na ewo ha no students na ewo honom no on so betime enya akwanya na wetimi akọ hungry akosua enema onwo ye efa to say atomic and say nuclear energy nema na ye no
Enti ebe say
yenko akatamanso amonyoko NDC wonom akachi ni ko jane fa ye wobona po ye mantem no emu titrani ya owo ehonom no eye unas ogusuo de adehwede ato nipa makomako aduasa nso a wonom agina predi bra hodo e wo sa mantem ni mo se wo sere abato no de ne ground ne koso obi ama ne nida ho hyehya ya hodo wo so ye na ohwe bedi nkunim no ye na wodi ochiri ene se obeto aba ne nyina bewe na kwabra ne ba bebo kwa adusa asomasi eye mise we ya wiame nti obi ama ne nida
anya bebia ye nya nye police for beze eduonu ebaba ho abehwe se doma eba no edoso na wo se ye se bebo bia ho ban se basa bi ko so ebehwe se bambofo no ebesi anu a enkofa oha obia emma but wa obeya so den no yanka se party nti o ya de tia party ne hihye ya ebema okwan amana ya ebema police for kwan edwa kwa kusi ko abani wia ye ni aya ba bese because e bia na obeya de na de basa enu na ye nti bia be peja no se o de basa be brenase
wakasa edifa womanfo a womo epese womanfo koto omso aba emomo komra hyebedwam anamo a womo etu ede ye campaigns ahodo no wodi tudwa se woma yade pa se anamo a womo tu no ye ene basabasa yo bia enko so sa
piso mo she o ma pro ase yente basabasa bia ena yente kasetie bia egusu edi ne hini kasa kyerɛ ne manfo sɛ de entiase bɛyɛ adwuma na obebeto aba